which is time for it. Shot on iPhone 17 Pro. That's it. I'm gonna take a moment to summarize what I just learned. Basically, all the new iPhones are, double ceramic shield, longer battery, great camera update. I mean, take camera off and battery off. The new exciting update is the ceramic shield and also the promotion on non-pro iPhone. So it's all promotion, it's all always on display, which is time for it. Apple Watch Series 11, not much of surprise. Hypertension is nice, but I really wish they give me something related with hypotension because that's what I need. But knowing that hypertension can save 1 million people's life, and that's when they said, wait, so they said they can alert 1 million people. That means, well, not everyone's gonna wear Apple Watch for among the 1.3 potentials. So I don't know how that's gonna weighing out, but it's good to see hypertension features finally coming to Apple Watch. That's been rumored for years. SE is a big surprise. I think it's gonna be a huge sale for Apple this year. Most people just need a watch that can track their workout and great battery. The old SE doesn't have fast charging, doesn't have always on display, but the new SE has fast charging, which is, perfect for on the go. Always on display, that's a huge deal because always on is like absolutely essential for wearing a watch. Imagine every time we want to look at the time and it's pure black and you have to twist your wrist when you are busy doing stuff. That's just not ideal. And it has the temperature sensor as well. No blood oxygen, but that's okay for the price. I think SE3 is going to be a huge gift or present for many people this year. I mean, just compare with Series 5 or Series 6 or Series 7, it's surpassing almost Series 8. That's how crazy it got. Ultra 3, not much of a surprise. Apart from all the 5G stuff, the watch faces are nice though. AirPods Pro 3 is a huge deal. 4 times the noise cancellation than first gen AirPods Pro, which is already great. I'm still using second gen. I started to feel some kind of noise coming in my daily life. So I'm really excited for the new Pro 3. I think it's gonna be really well to block all the noise. Plus longer battery, like the 8-hour battery for AirPods Pro. I mean, come on, that is it. I'm buying AirPods Pro 3. So they said all dropping in the invitation. I think that all dropping refers to the double ceramic shield. So now I see what's going on. And seeing this thermal Apple logo, yeah, it's kind of play on the vapor chamber cooling in the Pro models. Wow. I mean, am I excited? Kinda. I mean, I like how they kind of, introduce a new iPhone model that's very powerful, that's very durable and thin to strike the balance with some sacrifice that's
Who would have thought?
probably not gonna be met in this year's generation, like the one camera on the back and the battery. This is the current technology limitations. The only thing I like about the Pro is the color, to be honest, and the dual ceramic on the front and back. This iPhone 16 Pro with a better ceramic is already, way more durable than any other screen protectors, to be honest. Like, I haven't been using any screen protectors since I got this phone for a year, and there are minor scratches here and there, but that's okay. It doesn't affect my usage at all. I can't imagine how you can damage a phone these days, apart from maybe water damaged. Like if you drop your phone and it's near the water, that could cause some water damage, like a leaking or something. Yeah, the phone is so durable. It's unimaginable that we live in a world where we don't have to worry about phone cracking. Yeah, so that's my recap of the event. What's your favorite phone to buy this year? Let me know.